Welcome. This is my evidence of the work about the virtual interview, and I'm going to read each question that the teacher recommends, and I answer all of that questions. First of all, tell us about yourself is the first question, and I'm going to present myself. I am Daniel Mauricio Torres Martinez. I am 20 years old, and I am studying systematization of data in the Digital University. Also, I am studying animation 3D in the SENA, and I am a very passionate person for the video games, for programming, and for the animated films. And I want to introduce myself in this industry of the virtual entertainment, and that's the person that I am. For the second question about what motivates me to get this job, well, since I was 4 years old, I started to play video games in a console and a computer, and I am very surprised about the environments and the worlds that I can see in these video games, these 3D worlds, and also the 2D. And for that reason, I was very motivated to enjoy and to introduce myself in the industry of the animation and the video games. I want to create my own artistic works, and I want to make a lot of things in the animation, the programming, the creation of movies, animated films, and also into the video games world. And the third question, what are your hobbies? Well, my hobbies especially are draw, play video games, and improve my technical skills in programming. I am very glad in the moment that I take 2 or 3 hours to draw and make some artistic picture, and also I am very passionate to create video games and create animations, a lot of things with software, especially with the video games and programming these things. Well, the fourth question is, what are your future plans if you get this job? Well, if I get this job, I try to reach into the company and to get a better job in the way that I want to be a director of some projects, to make bigger movies and bigger also video games, to make some great artistic works, to express myself and to improve especially my projects. The fifth question is, what about your future goals or your career goals? Well, my future goals is to get my own development team to make video games and to introduce myself in the video games industry, but in the way that I can be the director of a lot of bigger products, a lot of bigger projects, that I can express a lot of ideas, a lot of message, to make the ideas that are in my dreams into the reality in a virtual entertainment. Well, the sixth question is, what do you see as your major success in your life? Well, I think my major success mm, are my little projects, like the video games that I created in a page called HIO, where these are projects that means to me the start of my work, the start of my path and my career like a video game developer. And this is my major success with some little projects about modeling in 3D, because these are the start of a great career. And the next question is, why did you leave your last job? Well, my last job was to make uh, web page with some friends for a company, and I made the interface for that web page. But I thought that I didn't do a creative thing or a artistic thing, and I thought that I just limit myself to be the artistic person that I want to be. And for that reason, well, the last question is, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Well, I hope I will be working in a team of development of video games. I would like to be the director of some projects in the industry of video games, maybe also in the animation and the films animated. And I'm going to start with some little jobs in companies here in Colombia. But I would like to work in bigger and bigger companies of virtual entertainment.